Apologizing is a powerful tool that can help repair damaged relationships, reduce conflict, and improve communication. When we apologize, we acknowledge our responsibility for any harm we may have caused and express remorse for our actions. This can help the other person feel heard and understood, which can in turn help them move past the hurt they may be feeling. Research has shown that a sincere apology can have significant positive effects on both the apologizer and the recipient of the apology. Apologizing can reduce feelings of guilt and shame, improve self-esteem, and increase trust and intimacy in relationships. However, it is important to note that not all apologies are created equal. A genuine apology involves taking responsibility for our actions, expressing empathy for the other person's feelings, and making a commitment to change our behavior in the future. Apologizing simply to avoid conflict or to manipulate a situation is not a true apology and is unlikely to lead to positive outcomes. Overall, the power of apologizing lies in its ability to acknowledge wrongdoing, take responsibility for our actions, and repair damaged relationships. By using apologies as a tool for building trust and repairing relationships, we can create stronger, healthier connections with those around us.